Guys, today I'll show you how to make a crystal. I am an expert on this subject. You will see how big a crystal I can make. By tomorrow it will be huge.
No, that's wrong. First you need to wear safety equipment. Then you must work under a fume hood.
Compounds should be dissolved directly in the solvent, and this substance has a solubility point to achieve supersaturated solutions. This allows the dissolved solute to solidify and form crystalline structures. Guys, to obtain a pure crystal, you need to use distilled water.
So, how much time is needed for crystallization?
Time can vary. It depends on the environmental conditions. If you cool the solution quickly, we can get microcrystals, but if you let it precipitate slowly at a lower temperature, a larger crystal will form. Now let's create some crystal seeds because guys, I have an idea. It would be great if we not only made large crystals, but also an interdisciplinary project for art. A creative recycling of crystal seeds. Let's get to work, come on!
Why do we tie and hang the crystal seeds in the solution?
Otherwise, if they touch the bottom, we will get asymmetrical and irregular shapes. With evaporation method, accidental crystals sometimes form.
Did you know that crystals don't just form with this method? We can use other methods too. For example, by heating a substance until it melts. Look at sulfur, it's in molecular form, and the molecules are free to move after heating. Another method to obtain small crystals is sublimination. For example, by heating iodine granules. Watch what happens. Here too, we have molecules that move and gather when they come into contact with a cold glass.
But now, let's get back to us. Here, after a few days, is the result of our work. It's perfect.
And not only that, look what our classmates have created. Krystallia, the utopian city with buildings entirely covered in crystal seeds that can absorb harmful gases. Krystallia is made entirely of copper sulfate and alum crystals.
For this project, we worked with cardboard and we created some buildings, each with different shape and decoration. After that, we put Krystallia seeds with the utopian function of capturing small molecules. Krystallia also have a fountain that represents the focal point of the city.
I'd say this experience has taught us a lot about how nature works and sparked our passion for crystals.